In this video, we will show you how you can use service virtualization with Silk4j. Service virtualization enables you to simulate back-end services of a web application. This allows you to test parts of web applications which depend on back-end services, which are not available for testing. We will start by creating a new project for the web application. We specify the browser and the web application that we want to test. We will now record some actions against the application. We verify the name of the first popular item. Click Stop Recording and specify names for the class and method. Now we open the Service Virtualization UI to virtualize a service in our app. We can see the proxy that is used. We can now specify the same proxy in the base state of the project. In the UI, click Discover to discover the endpoints in the application. Ensure Chrome has not cached any data of the application under test, and run the script we have recorded. In the UI, click Stop. Select the popular products endpoint and learn which data is transmitted through the endpoint. Specify a name for the scenario. Clear the cache to ensure Chrome has not cached any data of the application under test. Click Learn. Reload the application and perform some actions to generate data on the endpoint. Click Stop. Open the JavaScript file that contains the learned data of the scenario. Edit some data, for example the name of the popular item, and save the JavaScript file. Go to the Simulation tab, select the scenario and click Simulate. In the application you can see the old name. When you reload the page, you can see that Silk Test now simulates the data for the endpoint. You can easily adapt existing Silk4j scripts to use service virtualization. Add the service virtualization capability to the project. We have prepared a script to simulate the same endpoint and to verify that the product name now shows the simulated value. When we execute the script, we can see that the simulated data is used and that the test succeeds. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching.